Hello guys, welcome back once again. We will learn how we can integrate the Facebook page leads to our Odoo CRM. So in this video, I will show you step by step how we can first connect our Facebook pages, either one, two or more, and all the forms data integrate with the Odoo. I means all the data from the Facebook pages will fetch in the Odoo CRM. So here we have done a menu. Here you will connect the Facebook account that have different pages, either one, two, how many, it does not matter. And you can check here step by step one page and Facebook lead forms and fields mapping. So first of all, we will connect our Facebook account. Actually, they have Facebook pages. So for this, we will go to the developerfacebook.com URL. First of all, we will create our app. If you come to the main, so here you guys can see an option my apps. So you guys will click on this and create a new app. Already have done, but for you guys I will show you. So we did not connect any business profile yet. So and why we are integrating creating this app, so for other purpose means, so we will connect our Facebook pages businesses related. So here we will select our business. You guys can see create manage business assets like page events everything, you guys. So next, and then here you guys can name to your app. In my case, Odoo CRM app. Okay, and create an app. So it will create an app just in a while. Next, you guys can see this menu tools. So click on Graph API Explorer, and here you guys will select the permission. What's the permission? Permission you want to actually the fields of the Facebook. We can say endpoints. So I will select here in commerce. So you will select according to your I want to email also and event group. So I will select ad management and pages manage, and also page management engagement and page lists. Let me check the others. Facebook manage posts. So I hope it's enough for us. 1 2 3 4 5. So then next to generate the tokens. So for this it will require the logins with the Facebook account you have done. So here we will select the option all the future and current pages. So I will select this option. Next we will save, and then we will got it. So it's done now. In this case, copy these tokens and go to the menu. Go to the menu account credentials. Once you install the module, you will get this menu, right? So here just name anything. In my case, Irfan Khan, and here the user token I will paste it. And next step is to go to the tools and access token debugger. Access token debuggers. So paste here the tokens we have copied from the So here you guys can see you will get all the details. So if you see the expiry is about to an hour, so let me extend it. So it will require my Facebook login again, and it's, you guys can check now, expiry is about to 2 months, right? So from here I will select this ID, mention app copied user ID, note it for the account of this of my Facebook account, and next I will paste it here. So let me save it. uh, so after the saving I will get this option. So once I will sync the Facebook pages, you guys will see all the pages I have. I think around about I have 92 pages. So let me sync. So you guys can see all the pages comes here. So what's the next is go to every page like this one. So same like this, if you have the Facebook ads and data update forms, so you guys will get this just by sync lead forms. So I hope this all the scenario you have cleared along with me step by step. If you have any confusion or query further, so you guys can comment or contact me. Thank you.